Hi, I'm Dylan from 𝗥𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗽𝗲 and we're making lemonade.
Thanks, Dylan. Welcome to another episode of 𝗥𝗲𝗰𝗶𝗽𝗲, where we teach you a kitchen skill and then demonstrate that skill in a recipe. And we are making lemonade today, and not just any lemonade. What is it?
Watermelon lemonade.
Watermelon lemonade. Right before we started, I had to wipe a little bit of watermelon off your mouth. We eat so much watermelon, don't we, during the summer?
Yeah.
I think we go almost through one a day between the 5 of us, but maybe more like one every 2 days. Anyway, I don't think there's anything quite like watermelon in the summer and lemonade in the summer, and we're combining the two in an awesome recipe, and we're going to teach you guys how to squeeze citrus. You ready?
Yep.
All right. Okay, Dylan, we're going to talk about a couple different gadgets that you can use to juice your citrus. And if you don't have any gadgets, it's fine. You can still squeeze it by hand, but these just make it a little bit easier. We've got this. I think your grandma Deanie got this for you guys, or me. We have this one, which is called a Reamer. And this one you just stick in the side and squeeze it. And this is my favorite. This is a juicer, and you just put the half lemon in here and squeeze, and the holes are too small for the seeds to come out, so you don't even need to strain it. With this one, I like to use a strainer to catch the seeds. Okay, so do you know what the trick is to make the juice come out of the lemons a little bit more easily?
To roll it?
To roll it, yep. So we're gonna roll our lemons on the counter. You just push down hard. I'm gonna move this knife a little bit out of the way. And it just releases the juices and it makes it easier to juice.
Oops.
That's okay. So we're gonna do that to a couple lemons and then cut them in half. And you are going to use this and fill up this. And I'm gonna use the Reamer just so we can get going a little bit faster. Oh, yeah, you got it. Okay, so just squeeze it right in there. And then I'm gonna grab the Reamer and just show you, just stick it in, twist, and squeeze. So importantly, we always wash our lemons before we use them. And you're not using the peel or the rind, but you know, they can carry bacteria on the outside, and when you cut through them, it can bring it through the citrus and then you get it into your food. So to be safe, we always wash everything, right? Mm-hmm. Okay, so how did that work? Yeah, when you end up with that, throw it away and do another one. Did we roll this one? I don't know, I'm gonna roll it. All right, so we have a couple more to do, and we just need about a half cup. So I think it should be, depends on how juicy your lemons are. It can be anywhere from like 3 to 5 lemons. And Dylan, do you love having lemonade stands in the summertime?
Yeah.
Yeah. I don't know that we're gonna get to do that this summer, but we can at least enjoy yummy lemonade at home. This is super easy because after you do this, all you do is mix it. Do you need another lemon?
Yeah.
Okay. All you do is mix it with watermelon juice. And what we did with the watermelon juice is we put it in a blender and then put it through a strainer. And we have about 1.5 cups here. We have simple syrup. Super easy because granulated sugar won't dissolve well because all the liquid is cold. So you heat up about, well, we did, I think, 2/3, 1/3 ratio here. Sugar to water, and you just heat it until the sugar dissolves. Okay, I think we're getting pretty close. Let's see what we got. Yep, almost a 1/2 cup. So I'm gonna start mixing while you finish up the lemon juice, okay? Mm-hmm. All right. Got watermelon. Our simple syrup goes right in. That was a good squeeze. And then we're also gonna add 1.5 cups of water. And then mix in our lemon juice. Yeah, that looks about right. Yeah, so pour it in. We're gonna give it a stir. And we're gonna get some nice glasses, pour it over ice, and have yourself a beautiful watermelon lemonade. Thanks for your help, sweetie. How easy was that?
That was very
I mean, it took like 4 minutes to make fresh lemonade, didn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. I hope you enjoy it. Have a great summer. We'll see you next time.